wonderful family, thanks for tuning in once again to Vivi's World. Today I have another beautiful and authentic tutorial to show you guys, and it's how to make 5-row bracelets. You see it, how it looks on me? It looks so beautiful. And this is how to unpull it. This is how to remove it without stress. This is how it looks. So guys, keep watching and see how I get to design this beautiful bracelet. Hi guys, so here I have all my materials, all the materials I'll be using to design this beautiful pearl bracelet. And first I bring out the strings, the wire I'll be using, and I give a cut to it to the size I want. Then this is the design I'll be using to separate and beautify these beautiful pearl beads. I'll be listing out all the materials I used in the description box below, so that you can also see the materials, get yours, and you can design your 5-row pearl bracelet. It's very beautiful, and you can use it to go out for any kind of any outing you go into, any occasion, and it fits into any kind of clothes you're putting on. So now I'm clapping down the tip of my beading wire. I'm clapping it down so that all the beads I'll be fixing in will go in through for me and easy. So it just same way or the same way or the same way till end. When you are able to get the first one, put in the clap and knot it down with the plier so that the beads won't fall off. See, I'm bending the beading wire now. So when I'm done, I start to fix in all the pearl beads. It's just all the same. Putting it together to avoid the beads from falling down and falling off, you know, a more protective way to secure your beads. So start filling all the beads one after the other, get the wires well opened, and it's very easy. It's same process till end. Then after that, you clip in again the end of the wire so the both ends are secure. Then your bead is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if this is your first time of tuning in, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share also, and we also want to see your comments. And if you haven't put on the notification bell, it's good you put it on so you'll be notified each time we upload new videos. Keep watching.